Oppo has launched its new smartphone under Reno series in China called Oppo Reno 15c. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15c features a tall 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 722 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 15c sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158 by 74.83 by 7.77 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15c has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 2,899 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 3,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Starlight Bow, Aurora Blue, and College Blue color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from December 19th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 15c smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.